to 3D print a duplicate denture prosthetic. Start by selecting the new build option when the program loads. Locate the preferred printer for use and select the material to use for the print. If the print is a temporary try-in, the Dentures denture try-in material can be used. If the print is going to be used for more long-term use, the Dentures denture teeth material is the better option. Next, select the layer thickness to print. The thinner the thickness, the longer the print, but a better quality will be achieved. 50 micron layers will take longer to print, but will have a higher surface quality and resolution to the build. 100 micron layers will be a faster print, but will have a lower quality surface detail. Since this will be printing a visible prosthetic, a more detailed print may be preferred. Select the thickness size and then hit OK. The build envelope screen can now be seen. To move the screen, right-click and hold while moving the mouse. To pan the screen, click and hold while moving the mouse. Scrolling the mouse wheel will zoom in and out. The next step is to import the STL files to use. It's ideal to be in top view when importing your objects. Click the Add Parts icon in the top left corner of the builder. Hit Select Files and choose the objects to print. This case is for an upper and a lower. Select Open and then Open again. The dentures can now be seen on the build plate. The next step is to add the supports to the build structure. Avoid placing supports on the intaglio surface of the print, because this is the part that will be integrated with the patient. This can be accomplished by rotating the dentures vertically on the build plate. Left-click on the first denture, then right-click and hold to rotate the denture vertically. Reminder that if the print turns purple, it means it's currently in a position off the build plate and will not print properly. Next, left-click and hold to move the denture fully into the build envelope. Always make sure the structures are properly placed inside the build envelope. Repeat with the second denture. From here, the supports can be applied. When the build objects are orientated in the correct way, select the Generate Supports tab in the Builder menu and select Apply. Once applied, the build plate can be rotated on screen to check integrity of the print job, because the supports are very small. This allows for little scarring to be left behind when removing supports from the build. Check all sides of the build to ensure the whole print job is inside the dimensions of the build area. To make a duplicate of the job, right-click on each prosthetic and select Clone. Next, click the Build icon in the menu bar. The Build Wizard window will open. The first window is an outline of the print job parameters and the material being used, along with a place to add a batch number if needed. Click Next. The next page shows the build time for this print to be 4 hours, 27 minutes and 46 seconds. To speed up the print, check the Separation Detect box in the Parameters menu. This shortens the print to 3 hours, 8 minutes and 4 seconds. To make the print even faster, check the Fast Print mode in the Parameters menu. Now the print will take 2 hours, 28 minutes and 54 seconds. Next, make sure the base plate thickness is at least 0.4 mm thick and the Supported Parts Only option is checked. Then select Next. The Advanced Parameters page will now appear. No settings on this page can be adjusted. Click Next again to view the Summary page. Located on the Summary page is a section to name the build you're about to send to the printer. After naming the print, press Send Build to send the job to the printer. A warning may pop up saying the model may contain a certain number of duplicated facets. Just hit Ignore. Once the build is finished being sent to the printer, select View Slices. Here you can view the layers being sent to the printer and ensure nothing is missing and no mistakes have been made in designing the prosthetic duplicate.